This video will show you how to replace a click reel. First step, just unwind that click reel until it's in release mode. Just pull out all the slack lace. Now I'm going to remove the reel from the device. I'm going to identify where that metal insert is on the edge of the collar, and then I take my screwdriver, put it between the metal and the plastic of the dial so that I can release the release tab and pull the dial out of the device. Now I can just cut the lace and remove the reel. First step, just to turn over that click reel, we're going to make sure that a couple of things are in place before you get started. First, you should have 2 red lock plugs that keep the lace ports open for easy lacing. Second, we want to check out the alignment of the spool relative to the housing. Those green alignment marks on the washer should align with the green alignment marks on the spool. If they don't, it's easy to just turn the dial to get them to line right up so you know that the internal alignment is perfect. The next step is to lace your device. In this example, I'm going to show lacing the C port and the A port, attaching that C lace to the C lace port in the reel, and the A lace to the A lace port on the reel. How do we get that done? First, I'm going to take my green lace feeder. You'll notice there's a little curve to this lace feeder. I like to hold it so that curve is kind of pointing upwards. For the C lace port, I'm going to take the green lace feeder, and I'm just going to feed it right in. You'll see it poke right into the spool pocket. Now, it is possible to feed it into other places. So just feed it in straight and watch for it. Then if you just keep pushing, it'll pop right up and out. Now, I can take the lace that's coming out of the C port of the collar, because I'm lacing the C port in the dial, and I'm just going to insert the lace through the loop, pull it tight, and now I just pull that lace up and into the spool pocket. When using HD lace, our high durability lace that's found in Revo Fit kits, we're going to tie a single overhand knot. To do that, you make a loop, and then you tuck the end through the loop, and then pull it tight. This will leave enough room to tuck nicely into the spool pocket. When using the HC lace, our high capacity lace that's found in Revo lock kits and Revo surface kits, it's important to use a double overhand knot. To tie a double overhand knot, I'm going to create a loop, then I'm going to tuck that lace end through that loop once, and then I'm just going to tuck it through twice. And then I can pull it tight. Makes just a little bit bigger knot. I'm going to cut it, burn it, and now I'm ready to tuck it into the lace pocket. There are 2 different modes to utilize when using the click reel. Please reference the video How the Click Reel Works and download the Click Reel Dual Modes PDF in the Click Reel Learn It course. One last step, I'm going to just quickly remove those little red lock plugs to now activate the components inside the dial. After installing the click reel into the device, you want to just test the function. To do that, I'm going to wind the dial. I'm going to make sure it winds up lace quickly and effectively. When the tension has all been taken up, the reel will automatically shift into micro functionality. I want to just make sure that closure and adjustment is happening, both forwards and backwards.